If you're a landlord in Arizona and need a clear, professional residential lease agreement that's easy to complete and available either as a downloadable PDF or a professionally printed packet, this video gives you a quick overview of what's included and how to get started. This Arizona lease is part of the Landlord resources available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with property owners and managers who want dependable paperwork they can use without having to guess what disclosures should be included. The Arizona Residential Lease Agreement is designed for single-family homes, condos, and other similar residential rentals. It's structured in a way that's easy to use so you can enter your key terms quickly and accurately. At the front of the lease is a dedicated summary page where you enter the property address, tenant names, rent amount, lease term, and more. This keeps the most frequently referenced information in one place instead of scattered throughout the entire document. You'll also see language tied to Arizona's move-in condition form requirements. This Arizona lease is available either as an instant PDF download or a professionally printed packet that's mailed to you on premium acid-free paper. And if you're looking for something more than just the lease itself, we also offer a complete Arizona rental forms kit. This includes the lease along with commonly used documents such as a rental application, move-in checklist, and other forms to help manage the full rental process. You can order your Arizona Residential Lease Agreement or the full rental forms kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.